Guys, this is 8-2HF. You guys don't know the drill. Have fun. I'm going to be showing you a few of my nerf guns because I don't have a lot. Number one. Let's grab it. Oh yeah, they're all in a letter H because you guys don't know what it means. Have fun. This is it. This is the one. This is one of my fave. It's loaded, so I don't want to shoot. Next one. It's pretty cool. I just got this yesterday. Ooh. Got you guys. Okay, next one. I have a few, just a few. This is the next one. Oh my lord, that actually shot nothing. You know, it has bullets. Oh, this is a zombie tech. Yeah, guys, that's really all that I have, but I have a little more. That'll show you. You guys come with me. Get to sleep, so you gotta be a little quiet, but not really quiet. Let me get it. Let's see. Turn the light on because it's pretty dark. You need to get up, Dad.
I know. It's a rainy day.
So next one, and it's a zombie tech 2. Sorry, guys. So sorry. Can't really hold the iPad that well. This is it. Thankfully, it's not loaded. Yeah, this is just marker if you guys didn't know. I don't want you guys to think I had a really bloody day. Having a great day, because my friend's going to come over. Make 2 videos. Well, I will. Well, yeah, guys, just let me shoot you for a sec. I'll show you what it feels like. That was so crazy, guys. That's what it feels like to get shot with a bullet. Oh yeah, and it's not sponsored. Right up my eye. I got you guys? Tell me in the comments below if I got you guys. If you know. That's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about nerf. Next one. There you go. And last one, I'll put this in here. Got you. I saw that. Oh. I got you. Bye. They're all loaded. Yeah, and that was pretty much all my that's my gun collection of nerf. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.